Alright man, we're here and we're doing a party and then Law showed up. Here to go right here.
Tiene buena música y el ritmo que tiene es para juvenil. Está buena la música. DJ UT.
Yo, this is DJ UT crew member Aaron, aka The Trip. We're here at an event with all the rappers here. Over here at Iglesia Casa de Alabanza. You can go ahead and take a look. We got all the people right now. We got PVC. Right now we're just taking a break. We'll get back with you.
Alright, God bless, it's your boy DJ UT, another event, Gloria a Dios. Here we got right here, special guest on YouTube on DJ UT, so check him out, it's your boy PVC, man, check him out. Bro, tell us what you thought about the concert tonight.
Yo, PVC El Atrevido here with my man, DJ UT, bro. We got the staff right here. They did a great job tonight, man. I couldn't believe it, the lightings, the sound, everything was excellent, man. I recommend them 100%, man. And I looked all around for different sound and I could not find nothing so cheap, so good quality. I'm so satisfied. I would never work with nobody else unless it's DJ UT. I want to let y'all know, look, read the sign, read the sign. You see that sign? DJ UT. And for people that don't know Spanish, it says Sonido Ultimo Trueno. There you go, man. So make sure if you're having a quinceañera, if you're having a party, you're having a church event, don't waste your time calling these people that ain't even Christian. There's Christian people that do great sound, great lighting for low prices. You can't find this nowhere else. So make sure you call my man DJ UT, the staff, they work hard, and you know they're gonna bless your life, they're gonna bless your ministry and bless your church. PVC El Atrevido, I'm out, ya tu sabes, here live in Houston, Texas. Peace.
God bless, it's your boy DJ UT from Houston, Texas. We're in Victoria, Texas today. Estamos aquí con la quinceañera Karen. Alright.
Hey everybody, DJ UT is like the best DJ ever.
There you go, y'all heard it. Victoria people, what's up? This is Victoria people right here. Check them out. That's what's up, man. That's what's up. It's Victoria right here. Damos gracias a Dios. Dios le bendiga una vez más. Servidor DJ UT aquí de un evento. Vamos a escuchar comentarios del papá de la quinceañera de este evento. Vamos a ver.
Estuvo muy bonito, muy precioso y qué bueno, fue una decisión que tomamos al contratarlo muy positiva. El juego, las luces, el humo, todo muy precioso. Estamos bien agradecidos. Las niñas quinceañeras están bien contentas.
Entonces, ¿usted sí recomendaría?
Oh, sí, claro que sí.
Carolina, 15
Gracias,
Gracias, man. Dios me lo bendiga. Alright, God bless your boy DJ UT right here. We're in Pasadena, Texas, if I'm not mistaken. We're with the quinceañera Carmen right here. We're gonna ask you questions. So what you thought about the party? What?
It was pretty good. I really liked how y'all did all kinds. It wasn't just like pop or just hip hop. We did almost everything. It was pretty good.
What y'all thought about it?
It was awesome.
It was good.
Have you ever been to a Christian party before?
No.
No, so it's a good experience.
Good experience? Alright, this is awesome. What's up? God bless. It's your boy DJ UT right here from Freeport. Another event, October 23rd, 2010. We got some young ladies here that are gonna tell us.
Yeah!
Some noise. Freeport right here. Alright, we're gonna ask them right now what they thought about DJ T. So we're gonna start with
I'm from Freeport and I loved everything.
Have you been to a Christian event before?
Yes. No, todo bien.
¿Has estado en un evento cristiano? ¿Es el primero?
Sí, no, Cristiano.
El cristiano, sí.
Muy bonito, perfecto.
Muy bonito. Qué bueno, qué bueno. Gracias.
I like everything about it. A little more rock though.
Rock, there you go.
Ya, la primera vez que yo asisto a un evento cristiano.
Okay.
Me pareció muy bonito todo.
Qué bueno, perfecto. ¿De dónde eres?
De Matamoros, Tamaulipas.
Matamoros, Tamaulipas.
I think that a Christian event is boring,
Yeah.
but it made it, I don't know, like the music and everything.
Different.
It's something different and I don't know, it attracts more people.
So you've been to a Christian party before? Or no?
Yeah, I have.
And what's the difference with that one and this one?
This one, like, with the DJ, you put more spice, you know? It engages more in the audio, more activities. Yeah, you're like, wow, this is music also.
Alright, cool. Thank you very much for your input.
Everything. I like the games. Yeah, there was more to do than in most Christian events. So I liked everything.
So we're going right here to what's your name, bro? Omar. Right now you're on DJ T Cam, so tell us what you thought about this, man.
Man, I love it. For a moment, I thought you were going to left us out, but very pleased with it.
Pretty good for you?
Keep it up.
Have you been to a Christian event before? Or this
Oh, yes, sir. All my life.
That's pretty much it. Freeport, another event, successful. Thank you very much. God bless. What you thought about it? Just literally gotta be honest.
Good music.
You liked it? It's on.
Thought it was nice. I didn't see anything negative about it.
Do you go to, what church you go to? Pasigoso? So la gente de Pasigoso está hablando aquí, okay? Alright, God bless you, boy DJ T right here in Victoria, Texas. We got our brother right here. What you got to say to people? Aaron, what's up?
I want to say that he's got a great system. He's got plenty of power to boost whatever party you got going. And he's here to praise the Lord with us. And he's got top of the line stuff. And he's got a great light system. I was really impressed with the lighting and especially with the sound. I myself, I'm in the music, and I was blown away with the sound system, especially. And he's got great stuff going on. What you pay is what you get, really. God bless you.
And one more time here, it's your boy DJ T right here in Victoria, Texas. We got our brother Joel. Joel, what you got to tell people about DJ T? What is it? What's your song?
Pero it's not my kind of music, but I really enjoyed what I saw. It's, you know, you got some good stuff. You got good system, man. And I tell you what, man, it's, you know, if you're praising the Lord with this stuff, hey, I'm backing it. I'm backing it, you know?
DJ UT is the best,
Manos arriba, manos arriba, manos arriba, tocando el cielo. Manos arriba, manos arriba, manos arriba, tocando el cielo.
Sonido número 1 internacional desde Houston, Texas, DJ UT. Sonido Ultimo Trueno.
Todo con las manos arriba y bien arriba, tocando el cielo. Todo con las manos arriba, todos alabando al Rey Supremo. Todo con las manos arriba y bien arriba, tocando el cielo. Todo con las manos arriba, todos alabando al Rey Supremo. Manos arriba, 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 las manos bien arriba, 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 tocando el cielo, haciendo palmas, lo quiero escuchar. Manos arriba, 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 las manos bien arriba, 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 tocando el cielo, haciendo palmas, lo quiero escuchar. Manos arriba, manos arriba, manos arriba, tocando el cielo. Manos arriba, manos arriba, manos arriba, tocando el cielo. Para que Dios te bendiga, todo con las manos arriba. Todo con las manos arriba y bien arriba, tocando el cielo. Todo con las manos